Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed a copy of your tax return for a loan, a financial review, or just for your records, today's video is going to save you a ton of time. I'm walking you through a full 2025 guide on how to quickly get a copy of your IRS filed tax return directly from TurboTax. No confusion, no extra stress. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share a pro tip to make sure you never lose your tax documents again. Let's start with the basics. The fastest way to grab your tax return is through your TurboTax account. Head to the official TurboTax website. Open your browser and go to turbotax.intuit.com. Make sure you're on the official site. This protects your personal information. Sign in to your account. In the upper right corner of the homepage, click Sign In. Use the same email and password you used when you originally filed your taxes. Even if you used a paid version last year, you can still access your past returns through the free TurboTax account. Find the Tax Returns and Documents section. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Your Tax Returns and Documents. Think of this as your digital filing cabinet. It holds every return you filed using TurboTax, neatly organized by year. Select the correct tax year scroll until you see the year you need. For example, if you need your 2024 return for something in 2025, make sure you select 2024. Accuracy matters because each year's return is a separate file. Download your tax return. After selecting the year, you'll see options like View Tax Summary or Download, Print, Return, PDF. Click the download option and save the PDF to a secure location on your computer or cloud storage. This is your official copy, exactly what was filed with the IRS. That's it. You now have a certified digital copy ready for printing, emailing to your lender, or storing for your records. And there you have it, a foolproof step-by-step way to get a copy of your IRS tax return from TurboTax in 2025. If this guide saved you time or stress, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need their tax info fast. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick financial tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.